If there is something both the young and old believes in, is that owning a property to your name helps in wealth creation. What I mean, helps in creating generational wealth. And that is why people sought out for affordable property to invest in. If buying a property in your name or for the purpose of increasing your investment portfolio is what you're looking for, then this particular estate I'm about to introduce to you is that property you've been waiting for. And this property is just 6 minutes away from this Lekki Epe Expressway that I'm standing. So come, let me show you. Welcome to the Buckingham city. This beautiful estate is where royals live, and seriously, is located in a strategic area, Ilamija, just beside the Alaro city, Lekki Epe Expressway. This estate is like the most affordable property you can get in these houses, as land around this place is still selling as high as 60 million naira, but here you can get a 500 square meter for 9.5 million naira and a 300 square meter for 5.7 million. The good news is that we are still giving you a 10% when you make a deposit for this land, and you can spread payment for over 12 months. 3 months at no interest rate and 6 months, of course, at a little interest rate. So you can spread payment for over 12 months. The beautiful thing here is the typography of this land. It's very flat, and as you can see, here is a dry land. It means that when you buy your property here, of course, you will start building immediately. No sand filling, you're covered. You can believe in me that Lagos is too stressful. I mean, you know what I mean. From the whole hustle and bustle of Lagos State, here is a place that you can call home. When you get a property here, build the type of mansion you need for yourself. This estate is going to provide you the basic amenities that you need to give yourself the comfort you require as a human being. Here we are giving you a good road network, a perimeter fencing. There's going to be men on uniform, very tight security, and the water are going to be filtered. What else are you looking for? Buckingham is going to give you that which you need to satisfy your needs as a resident.